If you do these 8 steps, you will be waking up with normal blood sugar every morning. Waking up to high blood sugar levels is one of the most frustrating parts of diabetes. You eat clean, you exercise, and you even fast sometimes. And yet, that morning number won't even budge. Or it even gets higher. If this sounds familiar, you're not broken. It's actually something called the dawn phenomenon, and it's incredibly common. But the good news is there are a few small tweaks that you can make to your daily routine to train your body to wake up with normal blood sugar levels without extreme diets, medication changes, or even giving up carbohydrates entirely. So let's go ahead and dive into the 8 steps. Step number 1 is the most important one. You have to start tracking your patterns. So before you change anything, you need to know what your body is actually doing. Here's how to test if you're experiencing the dawn effect. Number 1, check your glucose before bed. Number 2, check again first thing in the morning. Number 3, then wait 90 minutes without eating and then check again. If that number jumps by more than 20 to 30 milligrams per deciliter, your liver is likely dumping glucose into your bloodstream overnight, which is a sign of poor insulin sensitivity. Let's fix that. Step number 2 is going to be taking berberine every morning and evening. This fix is our go-to for a good reason. Berberine is one of the most well-researched natural compounds to improve insulin sensitivity. It activates a cellular pathway known as AMPK. Think of it like your body's internal switch to start burning fat and clearing glucose from the bloodstream. It must be turned on every single day in order to clear as much glucose as possible from the bloodstream. Take 600 milligrams first thing in the morning with food. If you're someone that skips breakfast, no problem, take it with lunch. And then take another 600 milligrams with dinner. That way, you're supporting insulin sensitivity around the clock. This specific kind, Jade Supplements Pure Berberine, contains 600 milligrams per capsule in order to make it easy for you. So you will be getting 1200 milligrams per serving, which is 2 capsules. Again, 1 capsule in the morning and another capsule in the evening. That's it. I'll leave a link to this berberine that we recommend below this video. Step number 3, you're gonna drink green tea instead of coffee in the mornings. Try changing your morning coffee for green tea, especially on those days where you're waking up with high fasting blood sugar. Green tea contains a compound known as EGCG, which is a powerful antioxidant that helps lower fasting blood sugar. And it also reduces inflammation linked to insulin resistance. Multiple studies have shown benefits in people living with type 2 diabetes, especially when you use it consistently. That's why I recommend green tea every morning. Step number 4, you're gonna start your meals with non-starchy vegetables. This one is a game changer and it's so simple. Believe it or not, the order in which you eat your food actually matters. So we recommend starting your meal with 2 to 3 cups of non-starchy vegetables. This slows down blood sugar absorption and prevents sharp spikes after eating. This is especially important at dinner time. We're always posting recipes full of non-starchy vegetables in our website, so you can head over to type2diabetesrevolution.com. Step number 5, use monk fruit instead of sugar. If you need a little sweetness in your day, whether it's tea, oatmeal, plain yogurt, or anything else that needs to be a little bit sweeter, skip the added sugars. Instead, use monk fruit. It's a natural, non-calorie sweetener that doesn't spike your glucose or insulin levels. Unlike other sweeteners, it's been shown to support metabolic health without the digestive side effects of sugar alcohols. It's a small swap that makes a big difference over time. Step number 6, the ginger lemon thermogenic shot. So here's a powerful little morning habit for you. Squeeze half a lemon, Grate some ginger, add a dash of turmeric and cinnamon, mix it with a little bit of warm water, and take it as a morning shot. Now, you don't have to do this daily, but do it 2 to 3 times per week. Here's why. Ginger has been shown to improve glucose uptake into your cells. Cinnamon helps increase insulin sensitivity. Turmeric reduces inflammation, and lemon juice helps with hydration. It's like a mini metabolism reset in a cup. Step number 7, try pomegranate peel tea. Sounds weird, I know, but it's backed by science. Pomegranate peel tea is very rich in antioxidants called oligotannins, which have been shown to reduce oxidative stress and improve insulin function. It's also naturally antimicrobial, which supports gut health. Another key piece of the insulin sensitivity puzzle. Try it twice a week, especially in the evenings. This is the one that I take, and I start sipping it after 6 p.m. or so. Step 8, my favorite, morning movement. Even 10 minutes of light walking or resistance bands work can help reduce fasting blood glucose by activating something called GLUT4 transporters. These are like little vacuum cleaners that suck up glucose from your bloodstream and bring it inside of your muscle cells. You don't have to have a full 1-hour workout. Just move for 10 to 15 minutes. Better yet, add exercise snacks throughout the day. For example, for every 1 hour of inactivity, stand up and do 1 to 2 minutes of movement. A few squats, calf raises, arm circles, or light resistance bands work. These exercise snacks help keep your blood glucose stable throughout the day, even without long workouts. Let's summarize your perfect blood sugar routine. Step 1, check your patterns to see if you're dealing with the dawn phenomenon. Step 2, 600 milligrams of berberine in the morning and 600 milligrams at night. There's gonna be a link below this video to the one that I take. Step 3, green tea every morning. Step 4, start your meals with non-starchy vegetables. Step 5, use monk fruit instead of sugar. Step 6, the ginger lemon thermogenic shot. Step number 7, pomegranate peel tea twice a week. And step 8, morning movement and exercise snacks throughout the day. This is the exact routine that has helped thousands of our clients regain control of their blood sugar levels and start waking up with perfect fasting blood sugar in the double digits. Let me know in the comments below which of these habits are you already doing and which one are you going to try first. Go ahead and check the links below this video for free guides that you can download and the links to the products that I talked about. You got this. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.